to fix Fortnite Error Code 91. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Fortnite, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. In here, click on the Get icon, which will lead you to your profile. Then in here at the top, click on the Game Mode. After you're in the game mode, you will find Matchmaking Region. Click on the arrow in the Matchmaking region and change your matchmaking region. Select the region that is comfortable and that has low ping. After you've selected it, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Fortnite Error Code 91. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.